How to find TAPTAP Send Money promo code. Visit TAPTAP Send's official website or app. Companies often promote deals directly through their platform, especially on banners or pop-up notifications. Subscribe to TAPTAP Send's email newsletter. They may send promo codes or special offers directly to your inbox. Follow TAPTAP Send on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. Promo codes are often shared through social media posts, especially during holidays or special events. Many money transfer services offer referral bonuses. If you refer a friend or get referred by someone, both of you might receive promo credits. Check third-party websites that list discount codes, such as RetailMeNot or Coupons.com. Be cautious and verify the legitimacy of these codes. Look at forums or community boards where users share promo codes. Websites like Reddit often have threads with active promo codes. Thanks for watching.